Noorani Qaida, lesson number 2. In this lesson, we will learn the shapes of the letters in the starting, in the middle, and in the ending, how the letter looks like. And different colors will help us to identify the letters easily. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alif. Alif is in red color, so all shapes of Alif are in red color. Lam Alif. Lam Alif. Lam Alif. Lam Alif. Lam Alif. Ba Alif. Lam Alif. Lam Alif. Lam Alif. These all shapes are for Lam and Alif and Ba and Alif. Lam. Now we will learn the shapes of Lam. So now Lam is in red color. Lam Alif. Lam Jeem. Ba Lam. Ba Lam Ba. So here we learned the shapes of Lam in the starting, in the middle, and in the ending. Kaf. Now we will learn the shapes of Kaf. Kaf. Kaf Ba. Kaf Alif. Kaf Alif. Ba Kaf Ta. Ta Kaf Sa. Kaf Lam. Lam Kaf. Kaf Kaf. These are the shapes of Kaf in the starting shape, middle shape, and ending shape. Now we will learn the shapes of Ba, Ta, Sa, Noon, and Ya. So here you have to remember the difference between the dots. Ba have one dot down, Noon have one dot up, Ta have two dots up, Ya have two dots down. So many students are getting confused in these letters. There are only three letters, those have dots down. Ba have one dot down and Jeem have one dot down, but the shapes are different. And Ya have two dots down. So keep remember, only three letters have dots down. Ba, Jeem and Ya. In the next page, we will exercise for Ba, Ta, Sa, Noon and Ya, and only we will recognize the letters with the dots. Ba Alif, Noon Alif, Ta Alif, Ya Alif, Ba Seen, Ya Seen, Noon Seen, Ta Seen, Sa Seen, Sa Jeem, Ta Ha, Noon Kha, Ya Ha, Ba Jeem, Ya Meem, Ba Meem, Ta Meem, Sa Meem, Ba Ya, Ya Ya, Noon Ya, Ta Ya, Sa Ya, Noon Ba Lam, Ta Noon Lam, Ba Ya Lam, Ya Ta Lam, Sa Lam, Noon Ba Noon, Ba Noon Noon, Ta Ya Noon, Ya Ta Noon, Sa Noon. So now we can repeat them again and again. Ba Alif, Noon Alif, Ta Alif, Ya Alif, Sa Alif, Ba Seen, Ya Seen, Noon Seen, Ta Seen, Sa Seen, Sa Jeem, Ta Ha, Noon Kha, Ya ha, ba jim, ya mim, ba mim, ta mim, sa mim, ba ya, noon ya, ta ya, sa ya, noon ba lam, ta noon lam, ba ya lam, ya ta lam, sa lam, noon ba noon noon, ta ya noon, ya ta noon, sa noon. Jim, ha, kha. Now here we will learn the shapes of Jim, ha and kha. Ha sa, kha ba, jim ta ha ta, ya jim ba kha ta. These are the shapes of Jim, Ha, and Kha. Ta, Ha. Now we will learn the shapes of Ta marbuta and Ha. Ba ta, Ya ha, Ta ha, Noon ta, Ha, Ya ha ba ha alif, ba ha mim. These are all shapes of Ha and Ta marbuta. So Ta marbuta is only using at the end. It never comes in the starting or in the middle. Dal, Zal. Now here you will learn the shapes of Dal and Zal. Jim Dal, Kha Zal. Ra, Za, Jim Ra, Kha Za, Ya Ra, Ta Za. Now here these are the shapes of Dal Zal, Ra Za. Seen, Sheen. Now learn the shapes of Seen and Sheen. Seen Lam, Sheen Lam. And these are the shapes of Seen and Sheen. Sod, Dod, To, Zo. Now we will learn the shapes of Sod, Dod, To, and Zo. Sod ba, To ba, Dod alif, Zo alif. And these are the shapes of Sod, Dod, To, and Zo. Ain, Ghain. Now we will learn the shapes of Ain and Ghain. Ain Jim, Ghain Ha, Sod Ain, Dod Ghain, Ba Ain Dal, Ta Ghain Zal. These are the shapes of Ain and Ghain, but keep remember when Ain and Ghain are in the middle or ending, so we will close the up part of it. Hamza. This is called Hamza Qata'a, so always it comes alone, but there are some more types of Hamza. Like this alif has Hamza on the top and this alif has Hamza in the bottom. So if Hamza is on the top, its sound is A or U, and if it is bottom, then its sound is E. And if alif is in the middle and that have sukoon, then we will pull it like B run. Waw Hamza, Ya Hamza, and these are the types of Hamza. Fa, Qaf, Waw. Now we will learn the shapes of Fa, Qaf, and Waw. Qaf Waw, Fa Waw, Fa Qaf Lam, Qaf, Fa, Lam, Ya, Fa, and these are the shapes of Fa, Qaf, and Waw. Meme, Meme, and now we will learn the shapes of Meme. Ha, Meme, Lam, Meme, Ta, Meme, Ta, Meme, Ta. So here the shapes of Meme. So keep revising until you learn. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.